Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another real life motivational cleaning video. If you're new to my channel, I hope you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. So today I'm hoping to spread some motivation to get your kitchen clean. My kids are home most of the day and it really shows. I was not a happy camper today because I spent 2.5 hours cleaning my kitchen and you better believe I fussed at everyone. My kitchen was absolutely disgusting. My kids are teenagers and are pretty capable of cleaning up after themselves, but they are also lazy teenagers. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
Just last week you called me. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello. Just last week you called me. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello.
So right before I start my dishwasher, I've always sprayed them with a water and vinegar mix. This disinfects them and it also leaves your dishes super shiny.
She said it's spinning in my head, in my head. I just wanna pull you closer in this bed. Take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down. Let you, even if we're hanging by a thread.
So to clean out my sink, I am using the soft scrub cleanser with Oxy. And this, I really prefer it with Oxy. It makes it super shiny.
This bed, take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down. Let you, even if we're hanging by a thread. You said it's spinning in my head. Wanna pull you closer in this. Let you, even if we're hanging by a thread. You said it's spinning in my head. Wanna pull you closer in this. Let you, even if we're hanging by a thread.
To clean out the inside of my microwave, I spray it first with the water and vinegar mix, then I follow up with the Grove Collaborative all-purpose spray.
I'll give you all of what I've got. The fancy finds, baby, I have not. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, baby. Cross my heart and hope to die. Mobile phone, expensive shoes, you can get your own. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you.
You guys, under the hood of my stove made me so angry. Do you guys see this?
I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, baby.
So right here I am using the Method heavy duty degreaser and also my soft scrub cleanser with Oxy. And also a razor to scrape up whatever they spilled under here and did not clean up. You guys, these kids, Like I said, I fussed at everybody. I was not a happy camper. I love to clean, but when people do not clean up after themselves, it makes me extremely angry. And I'm going to replace my drip trays on top of the stove after they go back to school, because everything is just a hot mess in my house right about now.
I've been trying to find my way. Take me by the hand and let's go find our own space. Somewhere in between you and me, it's a piece of magic that we need to release. Ooh, and now you're looking for a good time. I think you should take a chance with me. And do you wanna get the mood right? I think you should take a chance with me. 'Cause I've been on my way. I've been on my way for a long, long time. You've been on your way. You've been on your way, yeah, for all your life. Take a chance with me. I can see the fire escape, and you can read my mind, that's why you're heading that way. Nothing will ever be the same. Before there wasn't you, I don't remember a day. Ooh, and now you're looking for a good time. I think you should take a chance with me. And do you wanna get the mood right? I think you should take a chance with me. 'Cause I've been on my way. I've been on my way for a long, long time. You've been on your way. You've been on your way, yeah, for all your life.
So in my mop water, I'm using Pinesol and bleach because my floor was absolutely disgusting, you guys. Here are the end results, and I am super pleased with them, even though it took me 2.5 hours. But I want to thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed watching me clean, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and maybe share it with a friend or two that may need some cleaning motivation. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell, because I do post a cleaning video at least once a week. But I'll talk to you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.
I don't need a hit to believe that I'm living. You can lock me up if my tongue keeps slipping. I'ma keep spitting up rhymes I'm digging, and you can be my fame. Don't need a fast car to imagine I'm tripping. You can light it up, girl, I ain't the guy judging. And baby, that's on me, I don't need a boost. This is every part of me and everything I do. If it's the money part you're digging me, I will take you to a place downtown. But if you don't